Welcome, Josley, and we are very glad and happy that you are one of the esteemed speakers at this year's conference, ATA GTR, that is Global Testing Retreat, which is also the fifth edition of the conference. So, can I request you to introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, sure. So I am Josly Andrades. I'm an associate engineering manager with Cornerstone. It's a learning and talent management company headquartered in Santa Monica. A quick things about me. I am a certified agile leader and a Scrum Master from Scrum Alliance. I hold certifications in Six Sigma, Yellow Belt, and ISTQB. I'm passionate about test automation and love to work with the cloud. I'm also AWS certified solutions architect and cloud practitioner. Uh, During my free time, I like to interact with testers and with the testing community, and I'm a big promoter of continuous learning. So whenever I get the opportunity, I spend most of my time learning new things and learning new technologies. So yeah.
Uh, yeah, thank you so much, Josley. You mentioned about cloud thing and you love cloud technologies. So
Right.
your topic at this year's conference is also something similar, if I am correct. So
Yep.
your topic is Think Big, Think Cloud, in quest to find the silver lining, testing with AWS. So can you share something more about the topic, some more insights on the topic, and what would be the key takeaways after your session?
Right. So, about my topic, Think Big, Think Loud, the reason I thought to talk about this topic is very important because now organizations are moving towards cloud. Cloud is the big wave, and I really don't want testers to stay behind. We as individuals need to uh, be really at pace with the pace of technology. So, my topic, Think Big, Think Cloud, will be talking about how to leverage Amazon Web Services (AWS) to help testers assist with creating effective functional test cases, performing effective performance and security testing, and to deal with continuous integration using AWS code pipeline. So this is a quick brief about my talk and what would be the takeaways from them.
Thank you so much, Josley, for highlighting that. I think your topic is very much interesting and very much relevant in the current times because there are a lot of new technologies coming, and cloud is one of that. So I think there would be a lot of learnings which people would have from your session. Thank you so much for highlighting that. So moving ahead, Josley, I wanted to ask you that what is your passion and what keeps you going every day apart from all the things that your work life? So what keeps you going? On a daily basis?
Yeah, so my main the main reason of my motivation is my 4-year-old son. So he keeps me motivated with his energy, and I try to be as creative as him. So yeah, every day seeing him so energetic even during this tough times gives me the motivation to strive more and give my best effort to stay motivated. So that's my prime reason for my motivation on a daily basis.
Wonderful, Josley. I think young kids are very much energetic. It's like not for 1 or 2 hours, maybe for the entire duration of the day. That's
Definitely.
wonderful to hear, Josley. So I want to ask you something about your hometown, Josley. So where do you come from, and anything special that you'd like to share about your hometown?
So I basically come from Vasai. It is towards the exterior. It's a non-metro uh, town far away from the metro city of Mumbai. So Vasai is basically also known as mini Goa. It's more about pollution-free and a lot of greenery, which is very hard to find in a city like Mumbai. So I enjoy to be here. Yes, though it's far away from the city, there are a bit of a trade-offs traveling to work every day. But still, I do enjoy being here and you know being closer to hometown and being at home a good option.
Very rightly mentioned, Josley. So, if I remember it correctly, Vasai also has a fort nearby
Yes,
somewhere.
yes. So
Yes.
yeah, Vasai has a lot of forts and beaches, very much clean. It is almost a lookalike like Goa, so I really don't miss Goa. Uh, yeah, Vasai Fort was basically built by Shivaji, so it was built back then. But it's a really beautiful place, and I request everyone to visit it. It's very rare that you see, such a good place close to Mumbai. So if you are in Mumbai, don't miss to visit Vasai. And
Yeah, surely, Joseph. Thank you so much for highlighting that. So, I wanted to ask you something about the current technology trend. So, you are focusing on cloud and you are yourself AWS certified. And what is your take on the current technology trend? Because we see a lot of new technologies coming. And where do you see the current tester placed in today's scenario?
right. So yeah, technology keeps on going, keeps on changing. We have to be at pace with technology. My advice here would be for testers is more to focus on continuous learning and thinking about understanding the real essence of testing. Real essence of testing is really very important. One needs to know to be a problem solver as a tester. We need to get deep into understanding the nitty-gritties of architecture. So these are the crucial aspects for a tester. Be it any technology and be it the newer trends that are coming in, cloud or maybe AI or ML, and there would be few more. But you understand the real essence of testing would be my take for every tester to understand the basics. It's really very important before getting into mastering a particular technology. It's really very important to start being a smart QA or a smart tester. So that would be my advice uh, on dealing with neo technology.
Thank you so much, Josle. I think it's very rightly mentioned. Understanding the fundamentals is very much important so that one can go ahead and then master any other technologies in which his or her interest area lies. Understanding the fundamentals and essence is the most important thing, Josle. You very well mentioned it. So, one final question, Josle, before I let you go. So, we have been working from home for quite some time now. It's almost 7 or 8 months now. So, how has been your work from home experience? How has work from home treated you?
Yeah, work from home is a really good experience. I'm actually loving it. As I talked about previously, I have to travel almost 2 hours to and fro. So I was involved with 4 hours of traveling time to my office and coming back. So I'm getting that additional 4 hours daily. So I put that in to my learning, which is very crucial for me, and I get those precious 4 hours which I can put myself into learning. And working from home is a really good experience. I'm able to attend a lot of conferences virtually. Uh, and even there are certain international conferences I have been able to attend, which practically I would be giving it a quick thought should I be traveling. So the virtual world has made it really very easy in this time of the work from home. It is really tough, but we need to make sure we use and take the maximum use of the opportunity while working from home. And I would definitely request everyone to also attend ATA. And the conference, I believe this is the first time it is going to be virtual, and I'm sure uh, the team is going to have a really good arrangement for all of you. So do attend conferences. It's an opportunity working from home, being virtually there, and it's more better to be there and make the most use of this work from home opportunity and this current situation of the pandemic. So
Yeah, thank you so much,
really
Josle. Yes, you rightly mentioned, and 4 hours is a big time that you mentioned that you are getting 4 hours additionally per day. So that's pretty much good. And yes, you rightly mentioned about the virtual conference that is being done. So yes, this is the first time that GTRB is being hosted virtually because of the current situation, and we plan to host it in a grand manner. We have a lot of speakers, and we are really looking forward for all the sessions. So I would like to welcome you once again on behalf of the entire team. Thank you so much, Josle, for sharing your time and thoughts with us. We are really looking forward for your session. Thank you so much once again.
thank you. Take care.